Y'all want some more facts? We finna get into it. Hey, did you know that a cat's sense of smell is 14 times greater than that of a human being? No wonder they take off when I pass gas. There's my man. Batman. There he is in his box. Man, that box is just big enough for your body to fit in it. Sometimes him and Robin lay in that box almost like a coffin. Come on, bruh man, do you mind? We trying to film something here. Now, I was gonna give y'all 5 like I did the last time on this topic, but there's one that I just can't leave off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this point as a bonus on the end of this. And this is something that you can take right away and use with your cats. And I promise you they will love you for it, okay? So stay tuned for that at the end. Now, did you know researchers have found that the type of people who have cats are logical, practical, and introverted? Is that you? Medical research also confirms that living with a cat helps relieve stress, anxiety, and depression. It also helps to lower blood pressure and protects you from heart problems and stroke. Now, they not talking about bruh man though, because bruh man that help give somebody some heart problems. What do you think about bruh man, Batman? When we first brought bruh man in, what did you think? What were your first thoughts? Were you happy or were you sad? Cause y'all have been, this is y'all spot for a minute, Batman. So when we first brought bruh man home, what did you think? Honestly. Come on, just me and you having a conversation. What did you think about bruh man when we first brought him home? Okay, here he is over here. Bison with me. Bruh man, I am having a conversation with Batman. This is between A and B. How'd that go? Can you see? Oh, see your way out of it or something. I think that's it. But Batman, don't worry about that he's over there. Act like he not there. When he first came, you ain't like it too much, did you? Do you like him better now? I guess he don't want to have a conversation. Did you know that a cat needs to interact with humans from around 2 weeks old in order for them to be sociable towards people? Actually, from about 2 to 16 weeks. After that, it's almost impossible for them to be domesticated. Robin, so how did you feel when bruh man first got here? What were your thoughts? Because if I recall, you were the one that didn't like it the most. So I wanted to, the world wants to know, What was it that you didn't like? Oh, I see. Was there anything that you did like? Was there anything that you did like about bruh, man? Okay. This is not going well. Let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming. Did you know, in terms of cat development, the first year of life is equal to that of the first 15 years of human life? When a cat turns 2, it's the equivalent of 25 human years. And when they get to 3, it becomes 1 cat year to every 7 human years. Bruh, man. Hey, bruh, man. Bruh, man. I'm trying to talk to bruh, man. Batman, you ain't want to have a conversation, remember? Bruh, man. When you first came here, how did Batman and Robin treat you? How did Batman and Robin treat you? You don't want to talk about it? Huh? Okay, I figured you might want to talk. How did Batman and Robin treat you? And don't hold nothing back. This is for the people. The people want to know how it is for the new cat coming in when it's already cats. Can you stay focused? Bruh, man, how is it for the new cat coming in? Who was your favorite? Was it Batman or Robin? Who showed you around the place when you first came? Did anybody show you where the food was? Who showed you where the restroom was? Bruh, man. Who showed you where all of the toys were? Well, this has been very interesting. But we are going to have to go now. So maybe we can do this again sometime. I bet you guys didn't know that cats have 5 toes on their front paws and only 4 toes on their back. And that one goes to all of those who doubted I could bring it like that. Now, you guys know what this means, right? That a cat can only give you a high five when facing the front. Never mind the fact that that's the only way you can do it anyway. No, I didn't forget about the bonus. So earlier I mentioned that there was a bonus fact that I was going to give that you can use right away for your cat and they'll love you for it. So here it is. Now we all know that cats are highly sensitive to loud and high-pitched sounds. So whatever type of music that you like, they're probably not a big fan. But wait, there's a special album out there just for cats created by a composer named David Ty, an animal scientist, and it's called Music for Cats. So please Google that and you and your cats enjoy it. Please get back to me in the comments to let me know how it went. I would really be interested in knowing. Hey, make sure you're treating your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Fam.